Psychology is in pretty much everything we do. So as humans, I think we need to understand psychology because it's the study of human behavior. It's the study of humans in every aspect.
Psychology helps us think about others' perspectives and think about how other people make decisions and what their background is.
Psychology is founded in the scientific method, and so our students learn the scientific method well and are able to apply that methodology to other issues that they might face in the world.
I was actually drawn to psychology because I've always been interested in people and the social world and how we interact, both at the individual level but also at the group level.
I was always really curious about children and how children develop. And then later I became interested in children who were a little different. Specifically, I study children with developmental disabilities and how they navigate with those differences.
My particular area of expertise and research is forensic psychology and law. So I look at issues that are relevant in the legal system. As an example, police interrogations and false confessions.
When I tell people that I work in psychology, they naturally think that psychology is all about abnormal psychology and clinical psychology, and that we want to understand abnormal minds. But really, the starting point is to understand how the healthy human mind or brain functions.
No big problem has a single dimension. It's multidimensional. Humans are diverse. Our society is diverse. Our problems are diverse. And so our solutions ought also to be diverse.
So it helps you kind of move past surface level behaviors or emotions and think about what might actually be happening with an individual in their life.
It's broad, it's diverse, it's really a huge area of research. I think what it does is it provides students with all kinds of opportunities to find their passion, find their interest.
I think we all need to know a little bit about how humans interact, how humans function, because it's in everything we do.
What could be more interesting than the study of human behavior? So I'd love students to get into those classes and think deeply about the material, think carefully about the material, have fun with the material.